the uncle to the president of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has passed away. Honorable Kangwaye Stephen Ruakanuma, who is also a member of parliament for Bukanga constituency, is in Isingiro district, and also a member of the Presidential Affairs and Budget Committee, said or announced the passing away of this Mzee. He said, with profound sadness, I announce the passing on of our beloved grandfather and His Excellency Kaguta Museveni's uncle, Ephraim Bimanywa, today at Nakasero Hospital. My condolences to the Kaguta family, the Baseta clan, and all Ugandans. May comfort wrap our families during this difficult time. So, Mzee has passed away. Then, on the other hand, also, shortly after that, Nabanja, Rubina Nabanja, expressed our condolences. Rubina Nabanja, for those who might not know, is the Prime Minister of Uganda, expressed by saying, I extend heartfelt condolences to His Excellency Kaguta Museveni and the entire family on the passing on of Uncle Ephraim Bimanywa. May the Almighty God comfort you in this moment of grief and grant Mzee Bimanywa's soul eternal rest. Then she quoted 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 7, which she don't write the title of the quote, so you can check yourself. On the other side also, the Speaker of Uganda Parliament, that is Anita Mong, who is under serious bombshell of corruption allegations, also expressed our condolences by saying, I extend my sincere condolences to His Excellency Kaguta Museveni and his family, as well as to my brother Ruakanuma on the passing of Mzee Ephraim Bimanywa. May the good Lord comfort the family in this moment of grief and grant Mzee's soul eternal rest. So that is about the passing of Mzee Bimanywa, who is one of the uncle of President Museveni, as it is said. And with this also, I wish Mzee eternal rest. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you.